Alright, so guys, I know we've been MIA, but me I try my very best. Best believe say and I post me no one post. I just busy. Me just busy. Cause work, school, whatever. But me I try. Please bear with me. I'm trying. Me not give up. Me I try. Me not give up on the channel yeah. No matter what, I'll if I one video a month. It's not gonna be more than that, but me just say me not give up. So anyways, I go prank my son and tell him say we're going in the streets to sell water. I know him not gonna take that lightly. But I have the idea for a while, but you never really get no time or whatever. I know I have a whole more video I'm supposed to do for now, but please guys just bear with me. Please, I know you miss y'all, so stay tuned. Oh yeah, you gonna play a game.
Where you want to go?
Eh?
Where you want to go with them?
I want kind of them.
You always want to do some foolishness, you know.
What kind of foolishness? No, I think so like I have a case of water. We can sell them to pay the rent because see no money to pay the rent, I don't get paid yet. So I said this would be your bag, but I don't want to share, so I'm going to put all in it. So I'm sure you have paid them, but I give you all the things to about 6 water in this. So you would have sell that and then this is my bag.
You don't know water.
This is my bag, so I put it under my arm to make it easier for my hold, I can run up to the car them and water and water. Why you not selling the water? I want people have on the rent one pay. What? What umbrella?
No matter one umbrella.
Jaim. Jaim about 6 water in a year. And me have the most of them. See that? And me have the most of them and I can go.
So when people over there on the road, people them will go to school and see me and you and sell water.
Nobody see them. I pay your bills for you.
No matter.
So we can just water. When you have your little 3 or 4 of them in your bag.
You always want to put me in some situation.
But not that we're in a situation because we're not in rent money yet, but put you in a situation. All I'm going to do?
Work double shift.
I'm not working a double shift. Look. See? I make it easier for me. So I can just have my things to sell it. But I say water, because you see go on the highway, you make more sale. So that by the time them say, yeah, I just run and say, see the water, see your water, yeah. And we can sell one for $2 because we have about 6 bottle of water.
Me live outside, you sell the water, me live outside.
You may say no? Look boy, it's a bit foolishness. You know, so when you pass some people out there sell them water and things, and me I say, you know, say a good idea that.
That don't mean so you forgot to do it.
Why you don't want to do it?
Because I don't want to sell no water. You are the one that you figure it out, you got to do it.
Me I go do it and me I go do it together, so if we go shame and the two of you are shame together. I like to drink one water. Drink one water. I like you eat already, so you're not hungry. Just drink one of the water and say you have energy and things. The rain not fall, if you just a drew.
They can bake.
I can't hold the 2 bag them while me I say water and then something there.
You can bake till a week but not sell no water.
You mean we can bake till we cannot sell no water?
Not sell no water.
So which one you prefer? Sell the water or not know if you live?
No, if you live, I'm good. I'm good. Baking.
Jaim.
Yeah.
I know nothing hard here though.
That's something.
Matter of fact, you can just hold all 2 in your hands so.
Oh, I'm good.
You just hold all 2 in your hands so. So them 6 sets.
Thanks for the offer. But I'm good, you know what, so no what they can do a thing.
Remember do my thing, I go out there with you.
No,
so what you worry about?
You think on your own, remember say I want to believe.
Yeah, rather than if you see a thing them out the door, that you go shame them time there, you know.
Yeah man.
None of your friends them now pass on the highway if you see them sell water. What?
There's no water, no water.
If you made us no water, no water.
That's not my job to do.
Look, I can't hold, me alone can't hold the whole of them so.
I got to hold it out.
Me alone can't hold the whole of them so. I need
put
help.
this on the next arm like how you strap this on the arm like handbag. Do you think? Good.
I go for the umbrella. I can't find the umbrella but the rain ease up.
The umbrella they don't see
right.
They do it.
So me you can just stand up under it.
No. You
I'm gonna say only I put 6 in a year bag.
Me
so
and
not
stand my yard. No, but
me not put 1 in a year bag.
No water. No.
All you have to do, you see it when you stand up so and them see you with it. You don't even have to say water. Them see say water you have them we buy it from your ask your feet.
Boy with the water in there, man. I'll buy from you. You buy from me. I'll buy from me. Me though? Me just go and build it on me.
What do you mean by you soon on the yard for building now?
I
we not on a rent and I say to you say we have whole heap of water.
You swim around with hurricane here.
There's something.
Can't even play on my phone in peace. This weekend.
Yeah, but we're not. You see, we could have gone already, you know. If you never there chat would have out there sell the water them already, you know. But not.
Sometimes I convince you, man, always you come up with some foolishness for them. Can't bother, no more son, no want to leave you.
Jaim, and not even an hour, we go out there. And I tell you say, me will sell most of them. And I make you stay down at the bottom and a whole of people are there. And me just stay up at the top with my bag them and them something there. Material at the back.
Come traumatize me, no man.
What traumatize you?
I'm going to say the water if you want to say the water. The water left me for this one.
Who left you out of this? Left you out of this, you come out of this.
Yeah.
Where you going to live? Which part you going to live?
You call them there and stone saying.
Then I call them, like me I say, all you have to do is just stand up so the water them in there and nobody now see you. I mean, well, they're going to see you, but...
Don't you see it even though you're talking about nobody now see me.
Well, they're going to see you, but you just...
See me.
Then you don't have out there say water, because them don't see the water already. So for them first good I'll say, alright, sell me a water please or something. You know
That type of thing, more run out of your house, man. No under this, you run out of this man. Sell the water, a portion, I don't want to sell nothing.
you really want to left me?
Yeah.
I'm not asking for them something regular. When you see me really ask, you know it's a serious situation.
Yeah, you know some now
You know it's a serious situation because we're not on a rent.
Serious situation, you need to husband and me.
Are we alone there today? I'm just think about it. Alright, we drink do them water there now and we fill it.
Yeah. So you got some time, hydration.
Alright, follow. Yeah. Just come and join him. Me alone. If
you
them sell faster. Hold on now.
Listen. You come with them. But me I go there all day by your son. And then I go watch you. And I watch you sell it over this.
You watch me sell them?
Yeah, you want
Alright, you keep the other bag them then. So when I run out, you just scare them come give me.
Yeah, me just.
I say my son over there so the water them, I go feed.
But I tell me, I'm gonna associate me with yourself, you know. Just, if you want water, just me.
I don't true. You always.
If you want water, me fling it over it, you know.
You can't fling it up. You tell the people them water, the people them want clean water to sell.
But
And me I tell you, you just go so. You stand up, you just say so.
Maybe I don't
tell nobody say, oh,
no,
say
me just
shame.
fling the water.
You shame. And good water them now. And we can all dress up. So them sister we not mad. And nothing wrong with the way. We just want to make our money.
Oh, we go what?
Yeah, we have to walk.
I'm going to take my walk with time. By time,
By time
you reach on the same time already.
I put all of them in a bag then. I put them all of them in a one. And you just keep them. And I have some under my arm also.
As long as we get to turn up from a distance.
As long as I get to what?
As long as we turn up from a distance.
Make sure someone get my money, keep your distance to you. And I come to me on a new boot and them something there now. Because I tell you, say, all you have to do, I just go so. When you see the people my pass on the traffic, you just go so. If you don't want me out for them area, or you don't want nobody see you, just go so. If I want to friend them, if you still want to friend them, you just act like you never had nothing, you just start go start, or just start drinking the water then. You don't have to worry about it. The bag heavy, you know. So yeah, alright.
That's why every time
we'll put it together from now so me keep them here and I go walk. You go walk with the bag. Cause then it have a heavy. So you see? Like I'm a pour it, hold up your hand. Push this under your arm, I'm gonna show you something. Stand up, I'm show you. You laugh. See? I saw you go out there. And I say water. We are laughing. They must slide out of my arm.
But now I'll tell them one side this in my hand.
Sit down. Alright, you can sit down on the curb. Sit down, let me show you something. You can just sit down now. You can sit down on the curb with the water them and you just put it in your lap so. Hold me bag, hold me thought. You just put them in your lap so. Right, so if I want one, I just run come over and grab a water so. Or I just tell them say buy from my son over there so. And
tell me so tell nobody meet your son. Tell nobody to meet your son.
Everything you just a joke.
Because it's funny.
Enough for fun. I'm money where I make you talk about funny.
It's funny.
Put them back to the bag now and then till we reach out there.
This has more water than that now.
I put all of them in this because this is a paper bag around here. Alright. Alright, you can put this in another bag there. So it don't look no weird then. And then we'll reach out there. You just take out the bag and put it in your lap. Pull over this so. Oh, you can't because you have to hold this so. if anything, I just go and drink one of the water them while the people in the pass and so. See, I couldn't have like I said, look sophisticated.
Sophisticated with a whole piece of garbage man to push out there.
I'm thirsty.
Get the water yourself.
I can put more in it, come to think about it, because
Don't put more in the one.
Alright.
That way you want water.
Alright.
Say no nobody go buy it from you.
Alright, come.
No.
Come, you're going to sit down on the side while me sell them, I sell them.
No way.
Come to your phone and come. You can play a game too when we're out there.
No, play none.
Jaim.
Time
But I'm get mad in here, you know.
Get mad in here then.
But now I'm get mad in here, I say, I have to come sell the water there. People want to drink it and waste it. Because I want to make sure so what we sell and make enough money. Yo, Jaim, I'm not joking there now. Take up your phone and come. You can play a game on the roadside while I sell the water them.
Tell that this one.
Are we an attitude? Come. Come here, a joke me I make. Show them what you want the bag. What about? Look now. No, you're not fear. Until you get pranked, you don't want people to say you're she. Look now. Look on the camera over there, no? I jump one of them in the cover. I'm going to sell them.
No.
I'm going to go for my camera. Jaim, you've got pranked. Show them how you walk with the water. Go on to do the water. You know some unfair and time get pranked if don't wash show him face. Guys, welcome back. I know y'all are probably we're not upset because I don't understand because you know your girl gotta work and stuff like that. But I make a promise and I try to keep it. I'll if a 2 video a month, every 2 weeks or whatever the case may be, I make sure I get it done. You're not fear. You're a thief. You don't want people to see when they get pranked. But anyways, have a great weekend, guys. And I know I promised another home tour. I still have a video there for do amongst whole heap of other things. So don't worry about it.